We're here at the Texas Motor Speedway for an event 100 years in the making. The Chevy Truck 100-year Centennial Celebration. We have built more than 85 million trucks over the past 100 years and have learned something from every one of our customers. We invited many to celebrate what they all know. Chevy trucks are known as the most dependable, longest-lasting trucks on the road. But what they don't know is they're going to be the first people in the world to see the all-new Chevy Silverado. The all-new 2019 Chevy Silverado. It's all new from the ground up. It combines 100 years of Chevy truck expertise with 7,000 customer interviews on what they want in their next truck. What do they want? More choices, more capability, and more functionality. And I can tell you, it delivers on Chevrolet's promise to build the best truck for every customer.